Let's go, baby! Yeah!
Got Fofo.
You can hit me, dog. Yeah, you heard that, didn't you? Yeah, baby, we out today, man. Cruising the streets. Man, make sure y'all go down there and subscribe, like this video, and comment for the algorithm, baby. And make sure to join the Fast Lane gang. We got a lot of awesome stuff coming up, man. I'm hyped to see what the future holds, baby. Oh, but don't. Hell yeah, it was a ZX. Yeah, that was a 300, I'm pretty sure. Comment down below if you know what that was. Let's go, baby. My man out here chilling with it. Yeah, look at him. No foot brake, no brake needed. My man. Yeah. Oh. That's on me. I got you. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, he's chilling, baby. Man, I need this supermoto. What do y'all think? The mugs is nasty, but he ain't got no daggone tail light because he keeps scraping it. Can't keep a tail light when you scrape it. Yeah. Damn, that's straight gravel. That's why you don't ride over there. Kind of like not having mirrors because it looks so good. Like the bike itself looks so good without mirrors, but at the same time, bro, like it is not very, you know, it's not the smartest thing in the world when you're a big group. Definitely kind of sucks. Any group over probably 2 or 3 bikes, it kind of sucks. Yeah, mini races, baby, that's why we're out. Why are we still behind this damn car? That's how it, damn, look at that. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Got Fofo.
That'd be alright. God dang. Hit me, dog. Are you kidding me? What the hell? Huh? That motherfucker hit me, dog. Literally hit me. What the is wrong with you?
I don't see anything, damn.
I don't either. It literally hit my leg. And I was like, what the
He swerved into you.
She swerved?
It's not like he accidentally.
Did you get that on camera? No, of course not. I told him on that back road to turn his fucking camera off.
You could have got a check off that.
No. For what? I couldn't have got no damn check.
Yeah, you could have.
Huh? For what?
Your leg. I'd have pulled over his fucking. I'd have pulled over his fucking twist face. My leg!
It literally like, I don't even know, bro. It hit my knee. I felt it, but it was like a pop can crushing against me. For real. That's what it felt like. But I knew something hit me. I thought it was one of y'all just got too close. God damn it. Pull over here. Hey, where y'all at?
Hey, y'all good?
Yeah, this just hit me, but yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Yeah, this just hit me. I mean, I'm cool. I didn't go down or nothing. So. But she definitely hit me.
Where are y'all?
We're up here at the AT&T right now. Where y'all at?
We want to turn around?
No, we'll just come down there.
Alright, well, I guess it's it. They had the U-turn now, never mind. We're at
Yeah, we're at AT&T. You know what I'm saying? Like in front of the Lowe's.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all getting ready to pass by right now. Or somebody is.
Well, wait, Lowe's?
Yeah.
There's no Lowe's over here.
There is over here. Yeah, there is. Yeah, by Krispy Kreme. Right by Krispy Kreme. You'll see us.
I see you right now.
All right, bet.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.